You might have observed various patterns around you, like the arrangements of seats in an auditorium and the spirals of seeds in a sunflower. In mathematics too, we find various patterns in shapes and numbers. Take a straight line and form a semicircle with radius 1 unit on it. Then form semicircles with radii 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, and so on. The obtained spiral resembles spirals on a snail. This spiral also represents consecutive counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You can observe that this list of numbers follows a certain pattern. Each subsequent number is 1 more than its previous one. Similarly, observe the given designs formed by matchsticks. Here, 2 sticks are added each time to get the next design. In this way, you get a list of numbers of matchsticks used successively. The list of numbers is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. Observe these numbers on number line. Each successive number is 2 more than the previous one. Isn't it interesting? Each of the numbers in the list is called a term. Can you write the next term of this list? To write the next term, you need to find the rule by which each term is determined. Here, we notice that each term is 2 more than the term preceding it. So the next term is 13 plus 2, which is equal to 15. Further terms can be determined by adding 2 to their preceding terms. Similarly, you can find the next terms of the other lists of numbers given here. Here, the successive terms are obtained by adding a number to the preceding terms. Such list of numbers is said to form an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is abbreviated as AP. An arithmetic progression, or AP, is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. This fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. Remember that it can be positive, negative, or 0. If the common difference is positive, values of the successive terms of the AP increase. If the common difference is negative, values of the successive terms of the AP decrease. Let us denote the first term of an AP by A1, second term by A2, and similarly nth term by AN, and the common difference by D. Then the AP becomes A1, A2, A3, and so on till AN. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to AN minus AN minus 1 is equal to D. In general, we have D is equal to AK plus 1 minus AK, where AK plus 1 and AK are the K plus 1th and the kth term respectively. Also, if first term is denoted by A, then the standard form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Let's take an example. The total savings in rupees of a person after every month for 10 months are 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 3500, 4000, 4500, 5000. This list forms an AP with first term 500 and common difference 500. We notice that in this arithmetic progression, there are only a finite number of terms. Such an AP is called a finite AP. Also note that a finite AP has a last term. The other APs given here are not finite, and so they are called infinite arithmetic progressions. Such APs do not have a last term. Now, suppose you are given only first term of an AP. Can you find its next terms? No. You cannot find other terms unless you know the common difference. Also, an AP cannot be formed with only the common difference. So, to list an AP, you need its first term and common difference both. For example, if the first term A is 4 and the common difference D is 5, then the AP is 4, 9, 14, 19, and so on. And if A is 4 and D is minus 5, Then the AP is 4 minus 1, minus 6 minus 11, so on.